Senator Bam Aquino says 3 economic measures are now ready for the president's signature. The full story from Jade Miguel.
3 measures passed in the Senate being pushed by Senator Bam Aquino, awaiting President Aquino's signature before the State of the Nation address on July. These are the Philippine Competition Act, amendments on the Cabotage Law, and Youth Entrepreneurship Act. In the Philippine Competition Act, a regulatory body called Philippine Competition Commission will be established to monitor cartels which manipulate prices of our basic commodities.
More than 25 years na po itong naghihintay na maipasa. This will finally prohibit cartels, abuses of dominant position, tsaka anti-competitive agreements, lahat ng mga nang-aabuso sa ating merkado, nagpapataas ng bilihin, ng presyo ng ating mga bilihin, finally na magbabawal po noon, no?
Meanwhile, the amendments on the Cabotage Law changed some provisions on tariff and local shipping rates, which are said to be the reason behind the high cost of transporting goods.
Isa rin po itong mahalagang batas dahil pag ginawa po natin to, bababa rin po yung cost ng logistics sa Pilipinas. At alam po natin na yung presyo po ng bilihin natin, malaking porsyento po niyan nasa logistics cost. So hopefully, pababa rin po yung presyo ng ating bilihin sa batas na yan.
Meanwhile, the Youth Entrepreneurship Act aims to provide more opportunities for the youth, which may resolve youth unemployment in our country.
Marami pong kabataan ang trabaho at nahihirapan po na makipag-engage sa negosyo. So this act hopefully will address youth unemployment sa ating bansa.
For the People's Television, this is Jade Miguel reporting.